Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all having an amazing day. So you're probably looking around and noticing that I am back in my California room just because we were traveling for like almost 2 weeks straight from Hawaii to California. So it's been a lot and there's just so much unpacking and getting rid of old stuff. But anyways, I have also been meaning to give my room like a little mini makeover. I need to get rid of some stuff and most importantly, maybe get some new furniture or just kind of reorganize. I don't know. I just think it needs a little freshening up and that's what I'm going to be doing in today's video. All right, here's a little bit of a better view for you guys of all the things that I got, and I'm probably gonna just take the packaging off really quick and then I'm going to clean up my room before I actually set this stuff up. While I'm at it, I have to tell you guys where I got all this amazing stuff. So this one, I just have to do like 1 or 2 super easy steps to finish assembling, but as far as the rest, so I got all of these super cool pieces from Unicafurn, and I have to say I love them so much. I mean, look at this chair. Like, how is that not the coolest thing you've ever seen? And this is definitely amazing for storage. And this one, all you had to do was just like attach the wheels. It was like super easy. Anyways, it's just like, honestly, I think it's gonna be really useful for my paints because I have a lot of loose paints and they're not always the most organized. So honestly, I feel like this is gonna be a game changer for that. And these are just like super cool, like as a nightstand or a side table. I don't know. I just love them though. This one especially is really cool. I also wanted to show you guys this really cool storage cart that I got. It has so many features. Let me just spin it around one time for you guys. So here we have many compartments to store all of your supplies, some more compartments on this side all the way down to the bottom, and then when you spin it, check out these. These are literally my favorite part because look how they work. You press this right here, and look at that. It just opens and you have all this storage right here, but look at that. There's more. On every single level, there's more storage. I just love that feature so much. All right, it took a little while, but I finally got all of my paints in. Check this out. And it fits so many. And then once you shut it all, look at that. That is amazing. All right, I have 3 things left. I've got this, and then this cute little table. So I kind of think I might put it next to here. I feel like that could be a good spot. Let's try it out. Right about there. Okay, let's see. How is that? I feel like that's pretty cute. Maybe a few inches closer, but I like that. That's better. I think that looks pretty nice. And maybe I could put like a plant on top of it or something. Okay, wait, I love that. That is just like so aesthetic and so cute. All right, it is now time for the big reveal because I have finally finished giving my room its makeover. So here we go. All right, starting on this half of the room, which is looking very nice. Got the new pillows, the softest blanket ever, and I just love the colors. This cute little table with the plants on top, that's my favorite part. And then over here, I did keep some of this like crafty stuff that I've made, at least for now, because I like it. I think they're cute. Next is my desk, along with this, where I'm keeping all my paints now, which is honestly just super helpful, and it looks good too. Especially like how you can like slide this. That is so cool. Okay, that was so much fun. You guys have to tell me which part of the room you like best, because for me, honestly, I think this looks so cute now, like way better than before. I absolutely love how it turned out. I love all the stuff that I got and really helpful for today's video. All right, I will see you guys later. Thanks for watching.